Howdy YouTubers, this is Axe here. This is day 2 and technically part 3 of me building a forge. What I got up right here is a frame I built yesterday. Now, because this thing's going to be dealing with a lot of heat and a lot of all types of stuff, I'm going to need to reinforce it. So I cut a couple extra pieces of material here. It's 16. This is the same material I used as for the legs. They're about 16 inches across and 16, basically about 16 inches the length of material. I had to set my camera on top of my trusted welder here, which I had forgot to plug in. Unplug grinder, plug in welder. So I'm going to have to speak up a little bit if it's a little hard to hear me, okay folks? So, back weld it. Put my hood on, release the frame out of the side of it. Gotta see what I'm doing. Can't do that. Oh, here we go. Borrowed an hour darkening element from the folks. Still works a bit. Worked the hell out of my arm again. Ow! Okay, see what we got on camera still? So, alright. Now I'm ready to hit go. Okay, now I'm going to get the other guy in position. Okay, that's tack welded in position. Take that hood off. Alright. They're a little crooked, so it's not going to be 100% perfect. Then again, I'm not expecting great things out of this thing. I'm not expecting to make the scallop off, but okay, as you can see, I pick up the camera. It's tack welded there and there, except on the other sides. Oh, crap! I collapsed the tripod. Okay, hold on, folks. Let me readjust you to where we're going to be working. All right. That's pretty much the gist of it right there. Turn back on a welder. I'll lay down a thicker bead of weld. So this is all, good and stuff. Alright? Those welds look like shit. Yeah, well, gotta learn how to weld at all sorts. Just like sailing a boat. Put this in here. I'll get the top part here. pick up the on-hold skippy thing. Check the frame. Turn the bolt around. So actually, let's turn it down just a bit so I don't burn a hole through the piece of metal I'm working with now. Just a hair. Yeah, with a flux core welder, you've only got on and how fast you want the wire to travel. After that, it's all up to fate. I usually work on hot, but this is kind of creepy. Pick up the old camera again. 12 minutes, damn, I didn't realize we were, alright, that's all taken care of. Okay, as you can see, there's our frame, there's our new bed for the, yeah, that one's a little crooked. It's kind of a fast mock-up, and, well, as you can see, there's our new frame. That is where the new forge will sit. Next part is I actually got to do some thinking instead of just, whipping together a small box, which small, I think I got an uneven leg. As you can see, next part, which is going to be part 4, which may have to wait. It's going to be a bit until I can come up with a design on how to build the build the next part, which will be actually kind of trying to mount it up on here. I'll have to find some more scrap metal, some plate steel, so I can cut out, or at least come up with a piece of plate I can mount up here, or tack weld, which is going to have a small, I'm going to be utilizing the hole here, where you're basically would mount onto your hub of your wheel, and I'm going to be mounting the breather tube, which is going to shoot air up into the hot coals, which just will shoot air up into the hot coals, which will actually make the coals burn hotter, and then make your metal, it'll basically heat the metal up faster. Now, I got to figure out what's going to go on with this, and how I'm going to be able to run a hose or some sort of line from this to that, bargain basement, cheapy old piece of crap. God, I haven't had any coffee today. Blow dryer I have. Once that happens, folks, you gotta forgive me. I'm a little out of it, but okay. I gotta do some drawing and some tweaking with this so I can get the project. Until next time, this is Axe signing off.